Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 24 activity wrap-up session. In today's wrap-up session, we are going to talk about writing study. Open up your books, page 24, part A. Read this compare and contrast report about an imaginary solar system. In today's study, we have an imaginary solar system report over here, which is basically a compare and contrast report. Let us begin. If you see that this report begins with a title, there's a title mentioned right over here. Title is anything which tells us about what is written right over here. The title of this report is FWCP Solar System. Next thing is about introduction. Introduction is anything in which we introduce about our title. Let us read. Why is it like to live in a solar system filled with colors? In my imagination, I visited the FWCP solar system in the Milky Way galaxy. FWCP means filled with colorful planets. FWCP and our solar system are alike in many ways, but there are also many differences between them. Our next heading is about similarities. That is, we are going to talk about the compare in this section. FWCP and our solar system are alike in three important ways. First, FWCP has 8 planets and that travel around a star like our Sun. Next, FWCP has an asteroid belt like ours. Finally, the inner planets of FWCP are smaller than the outer planets, just like in our solar system. Next is differences, the contrast about between FWCP and our solar system. However, FWCP is different than our solar system. First, each planet in FWCP has a bright colorful surface. Some planets in our solar system are not as colorful. Next, there are no moons in FWCP. Finally, all the inner planets in FWCP have people. In our solar system, only Earth has people. Finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, we are going to talk about the overall things that we have discussed in this report. FWCP is an interesting place. I will visit it again very soon. When I compare FWCP to our solar system, I can understand more about the universe. I hope you have listened to me very carefully. B part. Answer the following questions. How are two systems alike? Can you point it out in the report that we have studied? Yes, you are very right. It's the similarities. This is the answer to the first question. Our next question. How are two solar systems different? The contrast that we have built in this report. You are very right. This is the answer to the second question, the differences. Now what you have to do is reread the whole part A. That's all for today.